Alrighty then. This damn air conditioning flowing. Yeah, I was starting the day off. We just left the P.O. box. We haven't been here in a while, so we came to pick up some packages. There was one that came in that's been in there for over a month that they can't find it, and they said whenever it's been in there for longer than a month, they send it back, bro. I'm like bummed out about it because who knows what it was. It was something from you guys, of course. Yeah, we got a few packages back there. We'll open those up later on in the video, but right now we have Braven's hood, his wastegate, his blow-off valve, like all the remaining stuff that Cody still needed in order to fabricate all of his piping and stuff for his car. So we're heading over there right now to go take this stuff to Cody and go see where he's at, man. I think he's gotten a lot of the piping already done. Still got the trailer on the back there. So should be coming home here pretty soon.
Yes, sir.
Stoked. Just pulling up. He's kind of been waiting on us because he got as far as he can get. Just Braven forgot to bring the blow-off valve, so. And we brought a hood and everything too, so hopefully we can get the hood dump figured out right now, dude. That'd be dope. Get all this done in one day. Good Lord, man, look at that. Look at this hot boy over here.
Clean, bro.
Look at this, man. He's gonna have a turbo car before me, bro. I've never had a turbo car before.
I never even thought about that.
Trying to make a custom dump. It's not called a dump pipe then, right?
The dump.
Up pipe?
Yeah, the dump, a pipe, oval pipe.
An oval dump pipe.
Yep. An oval. Yeah, say that 10 times fast.
What the hell? Alright, so piping's all done. Like I said, he was waiting for the blow-off valve. And that thing's a little rough, bro.
Oh no, it's not gonna fit anyways.
What is he gonna do, cut it?
Yeah, I think he's gonna cut it and re-put it on one.
Oh, okay, sick. Yeah. But yeah, I gotta do the blow-off valve still, and he's working on making a custom up pipe. So, hell yeah. What you guys don't know, like, this is carrying on from the last video. Like, we just dropped it off like a couple hours ago, so knocked it out already. We're gonna have to clock the center to make sure that this is straight up, but yes, sir. So here's the hood exit that he fabbed up. So it's a 3-inch round to a 3-inch oval. It's gonna come up and then dump out the hood. Just experimenting, man. Figured it'd be something cool. Cody actually had the idea because he has this stuff just laying around that makes something different. You know what I'm saying? Who has an oval dump? It's gonna come up at a little bit of an angle too. So it'll be kind of like a sideways cut out the hood. Should look pretty sick. Different for sure.
That's so bad, dude.
There you go.
That is not okay, bro. Can you cut it at that angle?
It's definitely gonna get cut at that angle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does that look sick? Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's gonna look sick because it's oval and it's gonna be cut at an angle with the oval, so it's gonna look
Like a rounded square.
yeah, like a rounded square. That's this big around though, you know what I mean? Because the angle, it's gonna look huge.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be cool.
Can't wait to see the flames come out.
Oh yeah. Curly's gonna put the little pops and bangs tune on it.
Oh, sick.
With the one injector plug type.
That's gonna be it right there.
Hell yeah.
So we'll tack those up and then weld them and
Literally be 3 pieces for the whole system.
One that you can take off. Hey, I need to do work on the starter, down by the trans, get to the T-bracket, whatever.
Yeah.
I would make this all one piece, but it's then a bitch to get out.
Yeah.
So then you can do work on stuff and not have to take your front bumper off and stuff.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's nice just having them all welded up anyhow, because like a lot of times when you just order those universal kits,
Oh, yeah,
and then you have like 20 couplers, and you never know where your boost leak's at.
Everywhere you have a weld on this is you'd have a coupler. You'd probably have one just big ass coupler right here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? One coupler down there. You know, it works fine, but if you can weld them, like, might as well not have to use so many couplers and clamps and bullshit.
Hell yeah.
Less shit to go wrong too.
Looks good.
You gonna go weld these up?
Honestly, bro, I'm hoping it kind of pops out the bumper, bro, so I just cut them through.
This guy. It's not.
Dude, honestly, bro, I'm just gonna put those teeth on my front bumper.
The Venom teeth on the grill.
Like the teeth
We should cut Venom's eyes and put them on the bottom of the window right here. That'd be dope. All right, yeah, we're just pretty much hanging out. He's finishing up. There's not really a whole lot we can do, but yeah, he's knocking it out, dude. Getting it done. It's crazy. Same day.
Stainless is starting to be my thing.
It's all rainbowy.
Yes. That's what you want to see.
Yeah, that's dope.
Those are the things that make Instagram great. You know?
Right?
Oh.
Sheesh, look at Bravus' little race car, bro.
Yeah.
Little guy. This guy's already talking about how he wants to race khaki. You better get axles in this thing before. You know what I'm saying? He doesn't even have axles in here yet. Don't even have all the bolts on his manifold, and this guy's talking about wanting to race khaki. Anyhow, guys, Cody definitely killed it on the fabrication, getting the piping and everything ran. I'm interested to see how this oval tube comes out. We're actually gonna wait till we get home. So we're gonna put the hood on, and we gotta figure out, you know, how to cut it and everything at the house. So you guys know, Cody actually makes injectors as well. So yeah, you'd have to tell him about them.
Yeah, these are 900cc injector. They look like IDs or FICs, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
Curly's been using them for a while. I'm actually using them on my sand rail. We're both probably pushing around 400 or 500 horsepower with them. They're just 900cc injector.
Yeah.
But yeah, for 4 I charge 250 bucks.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it comes with clips.
That ain't bad at all.
Raven's already got clips because he's gonna be making his harness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I hooked him up with the clips, and then I'll actually have to make a few more injectors.
Yeah.
Because it's like odds and ends, 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder, 4-cylinder.
Yeah.
So I'm just left with these right now.
I hear you.
Yeah, these are actually a Bosch core injector, and I just modify the tips so that they'll flow 900
Flow
cc's.
900, yeah.
I put them on the injector cleaner and flow machine if you want to.
Yeah. Yeah, we came here a long time. That was actually the first time I met him. Came and got the injectors cleaned for khaki, quite some time ago. So yeah, he's like the plug for getting injectors cleaned as well.
So I throw them on here just to make sure that they're all flow balanced and everything like that.
Yeah.
And I've been playing around with some other injectors, some 2000cc injectors, some GM injectors, just to try to make something a little bit more than 900. 2200 is an OEM part number, so nobody actually makes those.
Yeah.
But for like a 1600 or a 1300, I just play with different cores until I can find like the right core to be able to make those. So possibly, here in the near future, a 1300 or a 1600cc injector.
That's sick. So how do they get a hold of you on the Instagram?
Yeah, just
if they're interested in getting some.
Yeah, JB Engines.
Okay.
On Instagram.
Yeah, and I'll have that on the screen like I always do, or down in the description. But basically, right now, what you have available is 900cc, and they come, or how much do you sell them for?
250.
250 for a set of 4. Comes with pigtails, and that's good for HBK, all of it.
Yeah,
right?
just different top hats.
Yeah, just different top hats.
Which I can get with Joe over at Low Cash.
Yeah.
To get a different top hat to fit whatever.
Yeah, so if you guys are interested in injectors, hit him up. He's now the injector plug as well. Yeah, we've been, Curly's been using him quite a bit to clean injectors. Curly's always needing injectors cleaned. How many times has Curly been over here to clean his injectors?
Twice a week.
Twice a week?
Usually, yeah. But,
right?
He brings me like everybody else's injectors too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he'll get on the dyno, have a problem. He'll go through a bunch of stuff, and then he'll be like, I think it's your injectors. He'll bring them over. We'll throw them on the machine. They're plugged up. What happens a lot is guys will make their fuel system, they'll cut their fuel lines, their AN lines, and then
they don't blow them out.
Yeah.
That's what we did whenever we're making the lines for khaki. I don't know if you guys remember, it was a while ago, but you want to take some air, like your compressor, and blow air through it, and get them cleaned out really well. But yeah, that's definitely a big thing.
then the injector catches all that, you know,
all that little shit.
like that, and
yeah.
I throw them on there, and
I actually need mine cleaned right now. I think they're plugged up.
Yeah.
I'm having some kind of problem with my fueling system.
Yeah,
it's either that or
it usually takes me about an hour.
Yeah.
And I charge $10 a piece.
Yeah, so that's.
If guys are like struggling with, like, they don't know that this is the actual problem.
Yeah.
I have a lot of guys that's cheap. I make it cheap enough to where they can come. I'll take a video.
Oh yeah, last time you cleaned mine you said had 0 problems. They're like brand new.
Yeah.
But it's just for peace of mind.
Right.
For peace of mind, so you at least know you can eliminate that. But hell yeah, man, this definitely came out dope. I'm excited to see how this comes out. Boink.
Yeah, me too.
That's sick.
It's definitely, nobody else is doing this oval pipe.
Yeah, it's gonna look different for sure.
Very rare, at least, anyway.
Hell freaking yeah. All right, car's all loaded up. Once again, thanks, brother.
Yeah.
Well, certainly appreciate you. You did a killer job. So, yeah, all the work he did here, he also posted on his Instagram. If you guys want to give him a follow and go check it out, and keep up on all the other stuff that he's working on.
Yeah.
He did all the work on my cousin's Corvette.
Yeah, most of that stuff for the Corvette's on Instagram too, and then some injector cleaning stuff. That's kind of boring, but
yeah,
I still post it. You know.
Yeah. Hell yeah. I'll keep you guys posted and put all the information down in the description below about his injectors. So I'm definitely Braven's gonna be buying some from him soon for this one. Hell, I need injectors too for Gotham. So yeah, we're probably both gonna be getting injectors from him. So if you guys are interested in that, it'll be in the description down below. But anyhow, guys, we're gonna get back to the garage and I'll catch up with you there. The house, man. It's actually the next day, I'm not gonna lie, but now we need to open up all these packages that we got at the PO box. So I'll go ahead and let Braven open that one first. This one comes from Codey, and what? Look at this man's, bro. Is that a sticker? What does that say? Get smoked. That's sick. And a bunch of Hot Wheels cars. Dude, I'm telling you, we're gonna have to find a place to start hanging up the Hot Wheels. Hell yeah.
Hello Bravus. In the box, me and my fiance made this decal for khaki. I have been watching your channel ever since you painted khaki, from Codey Adder.
That's sick, dude. Hell freaking yeah. Let's go put this on the door right now. That's pretty dope, bro. That's what's up. So now whenever I'm sitting in traffic and it's hot, I just open my door up, let people know what it is.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Codey. Appreciate it, dog. My turn. Uh-oh. Bubbles. Bubbles! What is this, my friend? What is this?
It says on the bottom.
I'm not gonna ruin the surprise. I'm just gonna open it up. What is this? Bro.
Bro.
You know what I think this is?
I don't know.
It's got wheels on it. This goes on the freaking pressure washer, dude.
For what? It's going underneath the car?
Dude, that is fucking dope.
Is that to go underneath the car?
Yeah, this is to go underneath the car.
Jeez, that's so sick.
That is sick as hell. I gotta watch the F word. It makes editing harder. I've been trying to cut out all the cussing, so hopefully I can make a little bit more money on my videos. They don't I don't know, YouTube has their ways, man. But
bro, try it out.
That is freaking dope. And a little extension. So I'd imagine this is in case you need it to be longer. Boom. Boom.
Bro.
Look at that. It's got pressure washing nozzles right there.
Sick.
So then this is quick release and you just plug it into the pressure washer.
That's so dope.
Dude. I can't wait to try that out. That is freaking dope. Who's that from? Was there a name on the box? Oh, it's from Amazon. There's no note. There's no note, man. Alright, well, shout out to whoever sent that out, because that is definitely dope. And you guys know 100% for sure that I'm going to be using that, because this is a car washing channel, you know? You know what I'm saying? Okay. I'm just going to open them all, because Braven's way too slow.
You're saying?
And it's way too...
What is it?
I'm not going to show this. Somebody's an asshole.
What did it say?
Screw you, asshole. Somebody watching, you know what that was. Douchebag. What is this? What the heck is that?
Something you should be careful with.
That's what it looks like. It's from Apollo Tuning. Alright, he's going to read that note. You don't have to do it out loud. Just figure out what it is and explain it to us. And I'm going to open this one. This is from Temple Racing Company. Oh, shoot. Block-offs for the EG, bro.
Bro, 1 and 1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Dope.
Shout out to Temple Racing Company. These are the antenna block-offs for the EGs. That's freaking dope. Hell yeah.
So,
and Apollo Tuning.
They are coil pack conversion boards for your ECU.
Oh, okay. So you can run coil on plug for B series.
Instead of having to buy the Honda.
Yeah. Okay, that's freaking dope.
He says for khaki or whatever you want to use it for.
Yeah.
And if we want one for my car, just to give him a call, that he put his phone number on the back.
Okay, hell yeah. Well, you don't show the phone number.
No, I know.
Braven's over here like, there's his phone number.
He said personal number, don't share.
Yeah. No, that's dope, man. Did you say his name? Yeah, shout out to you, man. Thank you from Apollo Tuning. Most certainly appreciate that. I don't know how to do that. Maybe Curly will know. But anyhow, guys, the coupe came out really dope, dude. It's got a much more aggressive look to it now with all the piping and everything done. And the up pipe. Of course, we got to finish the hood and get it cut. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Something to look forward to is, I'm going to say it once again, we are going to be announcing the engine for the Gotham build. Well, I'll be showing you guys the engine for the Gotham build here in the next couple of days or so. So be excited for that. We're really close to selling out on those stickers. So if you guys haven't grabbed your Deadbeat script stickers with the number for the pressure washer giveaway, all the information is in the link down below, and as well as a link to purchase a Deadbeat script sticker so you can get your number. There's only a few left. So if you guys want it, you better get it, because as soon as it's sold out, we're gonna be choosing a winner and shipping you a pressure washer, bro. There's gonna be 3. First place, second place, and the third place. The second and third place winners are going to be just a car wash kit, you know what I'm saying? But first place winner is a pressure washer, man. It's a pretty badass one. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the like button. If you didn't, maybe you just need to lower your damn standards a little bit, man. Peace. Later there, Rughead.
Peace.